Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your old desktop? Instead of recycling it, consider transforming it into a fully functional server. This can save you money and provide you with flexible options for hosting websites, storing files, streaming media, and more. Let's explore how you can achieve this with just a bit of time. Why should you repurpose a PC into a server? The benefits are clear. You can save thousands on server hardware and cloud hosting while gaining total control over your data and applications. It's perfect for learning, experimentation, and running essential services. Plus, it helps reduce e-waste and clear space in your home. Now, what type of server can your PC become? Your old machine can perform several roles, such as a web server for hosting websites, a file server for sharing documents, a media server for streaming content, a game server for hosting games with friends, or even a development server for coding projects. Don't forget, you can use free and reliable Linux distributions like Ubuntu Server and Debian. You don't need high-end specs to get started. Here are some minimum requirements. For a web or file server, 4 GB RAM and a dual-core CPU will do. A media server needs 8 to 16 GB RAM and a quad-core CPU. For a development lab, aim for 16 GB or more. Setting up your server is simple. First, pick an operating system, like Ubuntu Server for beginners or Proxmox for advanced users. Then, set a static IP address to avoid networking conflicts. Enable remote access using SSH or remote desktop, then install the necessary services. Finally, secure your setup with strong passwords and firewalls. Is it safe to use your old PC as a public server? Only if you configure it correctly. An improperly secured server can invite security breaches. Make sure to use VPNs, firewalls, and other security measures. Considering costs, the savings are significant. A new server could cost you up to $5,000, while cloud hosting over 3 years can run between $900 to $3,000. In contrast, repurposing a PC might only cost between $0 to $100. Before diving in, remember the risks. Old hard drives can fail suddenly, and consumer PCs often lack features like ECC RAM. You should also keep power consumption in mind if you plan to run it 24/7. When should you upgrade to a real server? If you need to run critical business applications or services requiring 24/7 uptime, it might be time to invest in professional server hardware. In summary, turning your old computer into a server is worth the effort, especially for learning and smaller business needs. If your old system doesn't meet your needs, you can still sell it for cash. Ready to sell? We offer fast purchases for used PCs and IT equipment, with free quotes and certified data destruction. Don't miss out! Turn your old machine into cash today.